So it's July 25th of 2019, and been running this YouTube channel for 8 years? I checked Chasing 3D channel the other day. It was 8 years, but like, I don't know when that started. But Chaseontwowheels, can you guys see? We are currently at 999,849. My God, that number feels so much bigger. Regardless, people, we're hitting 1 million probably tonight. But until then, we're trying to remain calm and act normal. So we're gonna go to the grocery store, we're gonna get some stuff, make salads, be normal, until we hit 1 million, then we can both freak out. We're gonna attempt to record the crossing over because 1 million is probably the biggest deal for me personally. It has been since I started a long time ago, and it's been a long grind up to 1 million, y'all. But yeah, so we're gonna try to record it flipping over, and hopefully we get that on camera. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, 1 million subscriber update. It's now 11:46, and I'm old and tired, but we're 50 away. This shit need to hurry up, fam. I'm ready to go to bed. So hopefully I don't have to like wake up in the middle of the night and I'm be like, hey, I got 1 million subscribers. Okay, we'll be back later. Blair Witch episode 1 done. Game. Please, 998, 999. Here we go. Just be 1 million. Be 1 million. Yes. Okay, we made it. God, can we go to bed now? Can we all just go to bed? Let's watch the YouTube game as we go from 1 million. It'll go under in a second, watch. Me and Heather have a buddy that like a year ago, he was like, I'm gonna be your 1 millionth sub. It was like at my 30th birthday party or something. So we're gonna text him and see if he was the 1 millionth. My God, how long did that take? 28 minutes this camera has been sitting here. Jesus. All right, we're gonna go to bed now because we're old and not made to stay up until freaking, what time is it? It's like 1 o'clock. Okay, we're gonna look at it, watch. It's gonna go under 1 million. We don't have to care anymore though, because it's that number. It's the old special. I'm gonna watch it go under 1 million right now. Are you kidding me? Just do it. Just go ahead and fire the bullet. It did. It went under 1 million. We're at 9. And now it's at 1 million again. Okay, we re-hit 1 million. Woo! Okay, that's hitting 1 million. We're gonna go to bed now and we'll, oh my God, it just went back under. Whatever. We have stayed up so late and so long for this shit. We were like, we went to get like groceries and shit, and we were like, we better hurry because there's only 150 subs left. Literally 4 hours later, we're staying up to like 1 o'clock in the morning to be like, oh my God, y'all, seriously. This is the game. This is the game of YouTube right here. It's gonna fluctuate like until I wake up in the morning. Okay. Going to bed. We'll talk more in the rest of this video. We gotta go to bed. Oreo, are you so excited that your dad has 1 million subscribers on YouTube? Could you care any less? What would a 1 million subscriber video be if I didn't show you guys the plaque? So we're gonna unbox the plaque now. It's been 3 weeks since we hit 1 million subscribers, which I'm gonna look at my producer off camera, is actually pretty quickly. I didn't expect to get this thing so quick.
I think last time it took like months.
Yeah, it took months last time. So YouTube, you're doing much better.
Oreo has a squeaky voice, so I apologize in advance.
All right, if you guys hear any squeaks, that's Oreo.
On cue.
Yep, we shouldn't have said anything. All right, let's all get to see it together. All I saw was Oreo's toy just like fly across the camera. All right, here we are. 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until my boy's done playing with his toy. Come here, bud. Come.
Good boy.
Well, that was easy. Okay, here we go. 1 million subscribers on YouTube. The biggest subscriber milestone I have ever had on this channel, and don't really honestly have any other ones because the next one's like 10 million, and like, who's trying for that? All right, here we go. Million. Technical difficulty. It would not be a chase video if there wasn't some level of technical. Okay, we're good now. 1 million subscribers on YouTube, and the plaque now looks like. You get a nice letter from the CEO of YouTube. Look at that. Babe, you're bigger than Vancouver. You're bigger than Venice. You're even bigger than Las Vegas. 1 million subscribers. I'm not going to read this whole thing, but look at that. Babe, check this letter out. Like, that's like good. That's good material. Look at YouTube sparing no expense. Now. Dun, dun. Passing 1 million subscribers. Check it out.
Ooh, wow. That's pretty.
Now, these have changed. And I know the 100... I'm gonna grab the 100,000 plaque so you guys can see the difference, because it's taken so long to get 1 million subscribers that the plaques have changed. So I've been doing this thing for like 8 years, and how many years ago did I hit 100,000?
2014.
Okay, so around 5 years ago, I hit 100,000 subscribers, and that's what the plaque looked like. So you guys can see, no, they're both cool. So it's like glass on the outside and like silver, but now if you get 100,000, it's basically like this, but smaller, and it's silver. I don't have matching plaques, but that's okay. That's what they look like. Check it out. The gold one, though. This thing is legit. Like, this is like, oh, that's cute. I'm gonna put that in my office maybe in the corner. But like, this thing is like,
An art piece.
yeah, this is like centerpiece worthy. We're gonna have to figure out where to put this up. Okay, so that's what it's like unboxing a 1 million subscriber plaque. We're gonna have to figure out where to put it here in the office. If you guys are wondering why there's so much serious stuff in here, we record Q&As for Wreck Bike Rebuild. Oreo, stop licking the outlet. So that's why we've got all the fancy microphone and stuff. Okay, guys, so that's what it's like unboxing a 1 million subscriber plaque 8 years later. I do want to talk more in this video about something I've realized now that I've got 1 million subscribers, but we'll talk about that in a second. It's Saturday, so we're gonna go chill. Yeah, so let's jump to that part. Let me blind you guys, and nope, it's not gonna happen. Okay, just... What's going on, guys? So before the video ends, I did want to say a couple more things about this whole 1 million subscriber thing, because it is something like I've been thinking about a lot, because for a lot of you guys, you might have been following me for a year, 2 years, but I've been making YouTube videos for like coming on 8 years now. And I started this thing as, you know, I would go to work and school and home, and when I would ride in between those things, I would record videos and I would just put them out. And I've gotten the channel to the point of it's 1 million subscribers, which is the goal of having a YouTube channel, is just to make the content you want to make and that people enjoy. And it's a really humbling experience for me, the time that I've spent thinking about this. I did not expect to get to this point. When I started this YouTube channel and started taking it seriously, I could only dream of something like having 1 million subscribers. But now that I'm here, I've realized that the thing that I get the most enjoyment of is making really good content that helps the people that are watching my videos. And the things that mean the most to me are working on cool projects with companies that I didn't even have on a goals list. I mean, I did, but it was my goals list of like, this shit'll never happen, but I'll put it on a list anyway to shoot for it. I now have connections with companies like Yamaha, Revzilla, freaking Icon, Triumph. Like, these are the bigger companies in our market, in this motorcycle market, and I have contacts and communication with these companies to do cool projects that I can show you guys with. And I don't know, it's kind of a crazy situation to be where I am right now. And not that I don't think there's a lot of luck that's been involved, but like, it's not an easy road to get to where you are. There's a lot of time that has to get put into it. So, yeah, I don't really know what I'm saying. I just like, I'm really appreciative of where I am and you guys supporting this channel. And the million subscriber thing is really cool. It's a milestone that I feel like every smaller YouTuber wants to get to. So like, sweet. But I've really realized it's the journey is what's important, not really the end goal. The end goal is not to get 1 million subscribers. The end goal and the journey is to, how do I make better and better content for the people watching my stuff? And it's you know, a thing I think about many hours a day, every single day. So thank you guys for supporting this channel. Thank you for helping me get to 1 million subscribers. You can call it a road to 10 million, but I really am. I think I'm officially past giving a shit about how many subscribers I have, and I'm 100% now focused on just the content, which is the most important thing anyway. Alright, so this video is looking like it's getting long enough. Guys, I know this is not motorcycle related, but this is a pretty big deal when it comes to a YouTube channel, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm not going to tell you to do the like and subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Hopefully, you guys already know how to do all that stuff at this point, but yeah. I really appreciate you guys watching the videos, and I'm going to keep making them as better and better as I can, and I'll probably keep speaking terribly. I will see you guys on the next one. Later. You know, of all the times it would have been terrible to have a spelling error, this one would have been one. I'm pretty sure I did everything right. Chaseontwowheels. Outro crew, you guys tell me if I spelled this correctly. I think I got it right.